everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bonnie and on my channel we speak everything about makeup and skincare. You might be thinking she speaks about makeup and look at her makeup, it's just half done. Yes, I just have my foundation and my eyebrow now. I am going to do the BoxyCharm unboxing but in a very different way. So I watch Kathleen Light's. I love Kathleen Light's videos. She is so funny and she has a energy that captivates you. So I watch her videos and she does her unboxing with trying on the products as she unboxes it. So I thought, let me give it a try as well. So today, this is my BoxyCharm. I did open the box and see what products we have, but I'm gonna unbox each of the product or open up the product with you guys on the camera, and as we open up we will try it out on my face and we'll see how it is. So this is the BoxyCharm for the month of December, and when you open the box you have all the products like this, and the theme for this month is bubbles and glitz. So it's all about the festive season. It's all glittery, all gold. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 full-size products and you pay $25 per month. This box is $25, but the products, at the end of the video, I will tell you the value of each product and tell you how much the actual value of this box would be, but you get it every month for 25 months. So BoxyCharm, they try to collaborate with different brands and they pick the best-selling products and and mostly it's all full-size products, and they put it in a box and they send it to their subscribers. So you have different variations of BoxyCharms as well. This is the most basic version. They do have the BoxyCharm Luxe and they have another version which is even more expensive. So let's go ahead and see what we have. I see that we have 2 eyeshadow palettes, and that is because we have the Huda Beauty, which I know is an amazing brand, and I already have one of the small eyeshadow palettes, and this is Beauty Bakery. The Huda Beauty palette is beautiful. I already have their nude eyeshadow palette in medium and they have beautiful shades. This is called their Ruby Obsessions, so it's all with their pinks, burgundies and reds. They have beautiful shades. I know the quality of this palette, so I'm not going to use this on camera right now. And this, I got another. This was my extra additional palette because I subscribed. This was my first subscription. So when you are a subscriber for the first time, you get an additional gift with. So this was my gift for this month, and I was surprised to see inside they have a lot of neutrals and cool tones. I'm a very warm toned kind of girl. I don't go for cool tones. So it was very interesting to see this palette. So I thought, I always go for warm tones, so I'm not going to use the Huda Beauty. I'm going to try the neutral palette, and that is why I'm not wearing my concealer, because I'm not sure if this would have any fallouts. So let's go ahead and I'll try this palette and let you know how it was. I just remembered that in the box we also have the Luxie we have the Luxie brush set. This is an iconic set. It is the eye brush set. So I just primed my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre and I set it with some loose powder. So I have my mirror here, don't get distracted, I'm sorry. So I'm going to use these brushes with the Beauty Bakery palette so that I can give you a review of both of them. First, I use the shade Forehead Kisses on my crease with the brush Small Tapered Blending Brush, which is the Luxie 231 brush. And it was too light for my skin tone. Then with the same brush, I dipped into Messy Hair and I went over the crease, over the same color Forehead Kiss. That gave me a little bit dimension on my crease. I first took the shade Pajamas in my fingertip and used it all over my eyelid. But surprisingly, when I used the brush Luxie 209, which was the large shader brush, normally when a satin shade you use your fingertips, it applies better. But surprisingly, it applied better with the brush. And then for my inner quarter of the eye, I dipped the same brush. I just turned the side and I dipped it into French doors, and I used it just on the inner quarter of my eye. So that is my eye so far. I don't have any fallouts. It's good. I did have fallout. There was a lot of fallout in the pan itself, but when I used it on my eye, there was no much fallout. I normally would not go for such a cool tone shade, because I feel that when I use cool tone, it looks like someone has just punched in my eye. But surprisingly, I like the way it looks on my eyes. It's not too bright, it's not too dull, it looks perfect. So let me do my concealer and my under eye, and I'll be right back. Completed a little bit more of my makeup. I did use a concealer. I did use my Dior concealer. I used a cream bronzer and powder bronzer. I had to set my cream bronzer with a powder bronzer. So I used the Fenty cream bronzer and I used the Kosas powder bronzer. I used a cream blush today. So I used Beach Please Golden Hour from Tower 28. And my favorite highlighter, it is Jouer highlighter in the shade Skinny Dip. So I used the highlighter over my blush, and I used the same highlighter on my inner corners. For the inner corner, I used the brush. I used the Luxie 217 pencil brush. It sat right into my corners and it set the inner corner highlight beautiful. So next, let's see what's in the box. We do have a mascara, which is the Tarte Man-Eater mascara. I've tried a lot of Tarte mascaras and all of their mascaras are amazing. I haven't tried the Man-Eater one, so I'm excited to get it in this box. And I've just started using lashes, and I know it is such a big task wearing lashes or putting on your lashes especially. So this is the Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. So they have given you the magnetic eyeliner along with a set of magnetic lashes. So I've never tried magnetic lashes. So normally I would use a mascara after I put on my lashes, but for one side I'm going to try on the mascara first so that we can see the difference and see how good it is. It is a cruelty-free mascara. It is a voluptuous mascara. I go for a lengthening mascara mostly. I'm not that much into volume. So, but let's still give it a try and see how it is. The brush of the mascara is very interesting. It's got very tiny spikes on them. I've never used a brush like this. So let's see how it works. Mascara so far. It is very light-weighted. It's giving me a very beautiful volume. It's not curling up my lashes the way I expect a mascara to do, but if you want a voluminous mascara that doesn't transfer to your eyelid, I think this is a good option. I'm glad I got it in this box, otherwise I'd have not tried it out. So let's go ahead and try the lashes now. It has a brush tip, which I love in a liner. I always go for an eyeliner that has a brush tip. I don't like a felt tip liner. So let's see. Wow, this is interesting. I'm not sure if you can see, but let me come closer. So these tiny, if you can see, they have these tiny magnets on top of these lashes. And it's so interesting. Oh my God, that was the easiest lashes I've ever put on. Wow, this has completely changed the game for lashes. They just stuck onto the magnetic eyeliner. I'm just seeing if we can maneuver with it once it's done. I'm trying to take it off and trying to do it again. And yeah, it still sticks. Wow, I love this. Wow, I am so excited for this. Now that I have the Glamnetic Magnetic Eyeliner, I might try a few more other patterns of this same lashes. So, wow, I'll just put on my lashes for the other eye and be back. Wow, that was beautiful. I didn't have to use any tools, nothing. So normally I use mascara after I put my lashes, and sometimes if the lashes haven't stuck properly, they just come off. So let's see if it is strong enough if I do my mascara after I put on my lashes. So I'm going to use the same Man-Eater mascara, and I'm going to... Wow. It is not budging. It is not moving. I just stabbed my eye with my mascara. Beautiful. I love this box. Yay. All right, so I'll just complete my lower eye and I'll be right back. You know what? You would think, how all of a sudden she's back with full makeup. My camera stopped recording and I did not know. I'm so sorry. So the last product that I got in the box was a MAC lipstick. I love MAC lipsticks. Who doesn't love MAC lipsticks, right? So this is Velvet Teddy. It is a matte formula. Velvet Teddy is one of the iconic shades, just like Ruby Woo. It is their best nude shade. It is a peachy nude. Yeah, it is a peachy nude. Yes, I wore it and I didn't know it was not recording. So I used a brown lip liner. You can use a brown lip liner or a dark peachy lip liner. I used a brown lip liner and wore this. Thankfully that was the last product that we wore. So this was a good box. Let me tell you how much each of the products was. The Huda Beauty, this is the only product that I did not wear. That's because I know how good this is. I already have it in my collection. This is the Ruby Obsessions. They have a different variety of shades in this. This retails for $27. We know the MAC lipstick, it retails for $19. The Man-Eater, the mascara, it retails for $23. I'm always excited about the brushes that they send. They always send a set of brushes. It's not just a single brush. They send the entire set. This retails for $45. My favorite. So the lashes and the magnetic eyeliner, they retail for $63. That is twice or 2.5 times more than what we paid for the entire box. So that was actually what we got for the with the box this month. The Beauty Bakery palette, it was just a gift because I subscribed. It was my new subscription, so I got the gift. Every month the gift changes. I would leave a link to the BoxyCharm site. So if you want to subscribe, you can just click on my link and you can subscribe for it. It's a monthly subscription. It is for $25 plus tax. There's no shipping. They have monthly subscriptions and quarterly subscriptions. It's slightly different, but the quarterly subscription is a little more expensive, but even the products are even better. So the total value of today's box, if you bought each of the products separately, it would have been $177, including taxes. So that would have been about $200. But we got this all just for $25 plus tax. Alright, so I am excited, and as I told you, my favorite has to be the lashes for this month. If you received a box, let me know what you got different. So there is a quiz. That is how this works, right? So there is a quiz where they ask you a lot of questions, and your answers would help them customize the box based on your like and the type of makeup that you wear. So based on my responses, this is the box that I received. So let me know if you received anything different and if there's something better than what I got or something that you loved the most. I upload videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. If there is any bonus video, I might put a video here and there. Please follow me on Instagram. I would link that also in the description box below, because if they have any bonus videos, I would always show it on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.